Hey guys, welcome back. I've been away for a while. Hit the like and subscribe button while the intro plays. I bet you didn't think there was really going to be an intro, but there is an intro now, everybody. It's my temporary filler intro. I'm just testing it out. But anyhow, let's talk about Big Brother. And this isn't like going through a recap of the feeds or anything. This is more or less just me kind of ranting. But here's one question. Why doesn't Corey listen to America?
This is a man's world.
Why doesn't lame Corey, okay, now I'm being mean, why doesn't he listen to America? America's thing is, you know what? By me keeping Izzy, it doesn't make me any more safe than I already am.
I don't gotta lie.
America knows she's at the bottom of the totem pole. And is that offensive to say totem pole? Because I know saying spirit animal is offensive, I learned that. But why isn't Corey listening? I mean, you could, and then why do they want to get rid of Felicia so badly?
He's throwing a lot out there. Someone's telling him something.
So the question is who?
The question is always who.
Because Izzy is clearly more of a threat. She's like hip to hip with Sari. They should all see that. I don't understand why they don't understand these people are running their house and playing and running their games by voting with them. And the funny thing is they keep getting rid of their own. I mean, mind you, their own, both of them on the block. Felicia and Izzy are both on the block, so one has to go. But they are pushing for, and this is to the brown sugar babes. Y'all are so disloyal to your own. Y'all are never, I mean, that, they said that was a real alliance, but this was a fake alliance as well. And unfortunately, Mimi, you're gonna learn tomorrow. You're gonna learn tomorrow unless they give you the heads up today. Brown Sugar Babes is trying to vote out Mama Felicia, the cook in the house. And y'all, when they get off slop, they're gonna want something to eat, and then they're gonna be like, oh my God, why do we keep this annoying, loud Izzy in the house? Like, Izzy's presence is just annoying. She comes in chest first, insecurities on her shoulders, mad at the world because she's always been an outsider. And so now that she's with the cool crowd, aka Sari, and like, why is Sari the cool one in the house? I mean, yeah, she's been on Survivor 4 times, and yes, she won Traitors, which would be the first sign to put her up on the block. Like, Cameron was wrong for not putting Sari and Izzy on the block together, like thinking he could backdoor Sari. Whereas, Jared won, but Jared won that veto by default, apparently. And, but Sari and Izzy would have been an obvious choice since they're hip to hip, but Cameron's dumbass decided to put up Felicia. Now Felicia's going home because her own people don't trust her and want to get rid of her and see her more threatening than Izzy. Izzy, who has all the relationships in the house, and Izzy, who's annoying to a lot of people in the house. Y'all decided y'all wanted to keep her instead of Felicia, the lady who cooks your food, who makes salmon, blackened salmon, and pasta, and roasted potatoes, and all that crap for y'all. And y'all gonna want this once y'all get off slop. I said it already. But I just don't get it. But why is Corey and Jag, who's also at the bottom, rolling with the group?
It sounded like I was going off yesterday, like, no, Izzy's gotta go. But really, I just wanted to hear, the reasoning behind y'all's. I hadn't talked to Corey about it at all in the last couple of days. I just hadn't had time.
Like, why? It makes no sense. But, everybody says Jag is one of the dumbest to play the game.
So I feel like, I'm convinced, like, you're right. It would have been like an impulsive decision to just be like,
I mean, Jag, Jared put you up on the block. You've been up on the block more than anybody this season, I do recall. But
the thing is, I see both sides. I'm just
No, you're right.
Yeah.
There's no reason to piss people off right now.
Why are you riding with these people who voted you out 10 zip? Like, do you think Corey in America and Bowie Jane, who is she still in the house? Yeah, she's still in the house. And you think that they were the dominant force behind you being evicted, Jag? And Matt, Matt saved you, but it wasn't Sari or that side of the house that saved you. So why is everybody riding so hard for this side of the house? Bitches. Why Sari? She would have been my first up. We gotta get rid of her. She's been
Gotta go.
on Survivor 4 times, and she's on Traitors, but she hasn't even been on the block yet. Sari needs to go, but CBS is setting it up so Sari can win. This was Sari's season, and I'm just over it. I haven't watched fully, and I know my favorite subscriber is gonna write in the comments and tell me everything that I missed, and I'm so thankful. But it's just I hate groupthink, and that's what it's coming down to. Groupthink, and we're afraid. And I think I would prefer if America were to win this week, because they say that this week is probably going to be the wall challenge. So someone petite in size like America or Mimi, they're built for that. They're built, and from the last challenge, the what's that room? The pressure room challenge, Mimi and America, they stood the longest. I think they can win this. And who's to say, like America said, who's to say that Cameron won't win the veto if he's allowed to play? So it's like you're putting all your cards on Cameron not playing in the veto and not winning again. So y'all really think y'all gonna get him out the house? I actually I hate to say it, I am rooting for the weirdo, the creepy guy in the house. And I want Miko to wake up and start playing this game and realize that those brown sugar babes are not loyal to you.
See, again, this is what happens when nobody's willing to just say who they're voting for.
Mm-hmm.
And that's why I kept saying that in front of Sari. It's like, now you've been talking about brown sugar babes all this time, and now all of a sudden you're going silent.
They don't care about you. They don't care, Miko, so wake up.
And you don't want to say that you're going to keep me because you're afraid to hurt Izzy's feelings. Well, how you going to get the brown sugar babes?
Mm-hmm.
Anyhow, drop into the comments and let me know your thoughts. Like and subscribe.